In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom basketball jersey design using Canva. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Log into your account or create a free account if you do not already have one. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type T-shirt and select the T-shirt template. This gives you a good layout for designing apparel like a basketball jersey. When the canvas opens, go to the template section on the left side. In the search bar, type basketball jersey or basketball to explore available designs. Choose a template that matches the style you want. Click on the template to load it into your design. Next, customize the jersey design. Click on the text elements to change the team name, player name or jersey number. You can adjust the font style and size to match your team's look. Then, change the colors of the design to match your team colors. Select any shape or element and choose a new color from the color panel. If you want to personalize the jersey further, upload your team logo or mascot. Go to the Upload section, add your logo and place it on the jersey design. You can also add extra elements such as stripes, shapes or patterns from the Elements tab to give the jersey a more professional look. Once you are satisfied with the design, click Share and then Download to save your jersey design to your device. That is how you create a basketball jersey design in Canva.